Hi, I am Letty Rosedal, and I would like to introduce you to a new investment opportunity called the Swaddle. It is your all-in-one two-way baby zipper swaddle. Our value proposition and our key insights were discovered more fully as we looked at our customer pains and gains and what they were experiencing as we got out of the building. A customer pain when dealing with an infant is fighting a squirming baby while trying to keep their legs in, snaps on pajamas, and lots of difficulty changing diapers for new moms and even tired dads at any hour in the morning. A customer gain when the swaddle is purchased is peace of mind knowing that the baby is warm. It's an easy and quick diaper change. It's easy to put on the infant, and it's money saving because it's adjustable sizing for the baby. In doing our minimum viable product that was tested on 10 different potential customers, we made our prototype here as you see. That's a picture of my daughter who wears this swaddle often. It's a diagonal zipper that starts at the very bottom and it goes up to the top, and it allows for easy diaper changing access, and there's no wiggle room, and it's great. You know her feet aren't going to get untucked during the night. We tested it on other babies, and we were able to come up with an actual new and improved design that made my vision of what the swaddle should be much better. Our market sizing, I looked at the babies that were born last year in 2018, and then I'd like to assume that my total available market in swaddles would start with 100 in a month. And with that being said, that has everything to do with our served available market, which we looked at babies born in the United States, and then there's a birth every 8 seconds. And the swaddle is $19.99, which allows for it to be purchased by several people. So it's a pretty broad market because it's an affordable price. The people that would be looking at buying this would be social media fashion bloggers, expecting moms, and aunts and grandmas and grandpas. As far as customer relations, we decided to go with a get, keep, and grow model. And having social media as our main source of revenue really allows for a broad range of channels as well. We want to get them by using social media ads, keep them by giving these fashion bloggers 10% commission based off of sales they make, and our business will continue to grow as they share and comment and post, and eventually we want to offer our bloggers a larger incentive to help us sell those more as we get the word out more with our new brand. Here's an example of our online distribution channel. By using our online website is going to be the base, and social media is going to help promote our website, which is theswaddle.com. Our key partners is going to be a key supplier, and we're outsourcing our supplier, Taft Barrett, who is a local web designer and engineer. The only risk with this individual that I know personally well is just the cost of renting the domain, which doesn't come from him, it comes from the domain. The reward is the website would be up and running, and it would be constantly improved and worked on. And he is a social media pro, and the outreach of people he would get by using the website would work for us. Our partnership type is for a key partner is a strategic alliance, which is wcso.co.com. You can go to their website there if you'd like. They're extremely important for us in order to produce the swaddle. They do wholesale sewing and manufacturing, and they're located in the U.S. It was important for me to find someone in the U.S. because I want that to be included in my product. Our key resources, I'll just run through these. Our physical location, which is theswaddle.com, is extremely important to have that, and our material supplier is the wcso.co.com, and then funding is also going to be a key resource, and then the most important key resource that I thought of would be our human capital, which would be the people that sew and the people that I hire to help promote this. They'd respond to emails. Our work culture is extremely important as well in this company. Here is a design of our key activities. If you'd like to go through those, everything is centered around how the customer feels and reacts to using the website for purchasing this bottle. We want our website to be extremely user-friendly and not have any questions. And the next key activity is manufacturing needs, which redesigning this bottle is also based off customer needs, and everything is based off of them because this is customer-centered focused business. Here is a rough draft of our annual cost, which is going to be very important. And our next slide shows our revenue, which is how we're going to make more than what we spend. Here's the diagram that shows how social media and how our shipping of this bottle and those costs have been estimated and how we're going to make it big. Our metrics that matter would be competition, cost per unit, our channel, which is our website domain, cost to customer, and how much we're spending a month. Insights from interviewers was probably the most helpful thing that helped me make pivots that I needed to do. At first, I thought I was kind of lowballing this bottle, and so I was charging just $15.99, and then customers told me they hated paying for shipping, so I decided if I up the cost of this bottle but include free shipping, kind of like Amazon Prime does, I'd have more success. And then the other most important thing I learned is that most of my customers are female and they like social media. The business environment, I wanted to focus on the market forces and industry force, our customer needs, and our competition. Obviously, you know, Carter, Amazon Essentials, there are big brand name baby clothings already out there, but none of them compare to the quality and the U.S. Product of this bottle. Here's a SWOT analysis that shows our strengths, opportunities, weakness, and threats. I'd like to focus on an opportunity, which would be in our customer relations segment. Our brand is weak due to the fact that it's new and not established. So the opportunity for growth here is tremendous. As it gets hooked on the social media bandwagon, I know that our business values align with those customer needs, and it's just going to explode. I did make pivots from the initial canvas to the final canvas. The biggest pivot that I made was in key resources. At the very beginning, I thought social media was the most important key resource, but I changed it to social media marketing to be more focused on key resources, and that made all the difference. In my final canvas, my most important key resource is actually the online website, which is our store, which is our channel, which is how everybody's going to purchase this. What I was missing by only having social media marketing was a way for customers to actually buy the product. And by having a website, I'm promoting and allowing a way for them to give us their money and make the transaction. Versus on social media, I was only able to just promote it. Thank you for listening, and this is the SWOT.